Guys, hold on to your seats because DJI is about to drop something massive. Forget what you know about traditional drone controls and cameras. What if I told you that the DJI Air 3S might change the game entirely? No traditional remote needed, just pure innovation and magic in the air? Stay tuned, because today, I've got the juiciest leaks that you won't want to miss. Trust me, you'll want to watch this video until the very end. We're talking a drone with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, groundbreaking ISO ratings, a revolutionary remote system, or should I say no remote at all? That's right, DJI might be ditching the old-school controller and replacing it with something that sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine a tracking beacon that controls your drone and follows you around autonomously. It's called the DJI RC Track, and it's going to make flying this drone feel like the future is already here. Let's talk about this game-changing feature, DJI RC Track. Imagine a beacon that lets the Air 3S track your every move. Whether you're a cyclist zooming down a mountain or a car racing at over 50 km/h, the Air 3S follows you with stunning precision. With just the beacon, you can control takeoff, switch tracking angles, and even bring it back home, all through voice commands. It's so smart, it doesn't need a traditional remote. You heard me, no remote. Imagine having the power to control everything in your hands, hands-free. That's what makes this leak so mind-blowing. Mark your calendars, folks. We've got some inside scoop on the Air 3S's official release. My sources tell me that we're looking at an October 23rd launch. And if that wasn't exciting enough, this drone might be hitting stores the very same day. That's right. No waiting for weeks after the announcement. DJI is making sure you can get your hands on this beast immediately. I mean, can you imagine unboxing this thing the day it drops? Now, let's talk about the cameras. And yes, I said camera. We're talking a 1-inch wide-angle CMOS sensor. DJI is basically merging the best of the Mavic 3 and Air series here. The ISO ratings? Brace yourselves because it's going from an already impressive 6,000 to a jaw-dropping 12,800. That means better low-light performance, sharper details, and insane clarity even when the sun's down. And get this, it's got LiDAR sensors in the front for improved safety in low light conditions. So even when it's pitch black, this drone knows exactly where it's going. As if that's not enough, we've got even more goodness. The Air 3S weighs just 724 grams, making it super light for everything it's packing. And with a maximum flight time of 45 minutes, you're going to be in the air way longer than before. Think about all the footage you could capture with that extra time. 45 minutes, people! You could shoot an entire travel vlog without needing to bring it down. That's huge! Now, before we get too carried away with excitement, there's a little bit of sad news. It seems like the DJI RC Track feature might not be available at launch due to some last-minute issues. But don't worry, I'm keeping an eye on this, and I'll update you the second I hear more. Even without it at launch, the DJI Air 3S is still shaping up to be the most advanced drone DJI has ever made. And trust me, when that tracking feature does drop, it's going to be a game changer. So what do you guys think? Is the DJI Air 3S going to revolutionize the drone world? Are you as pumped as I am about the RC Track and those camera upgrades? Let me know in the comments what feature excites you the most. And if you want to stay updated on the latest drone leaks, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because I've got a feeling DJI is going to keep surprising us. This is just the beginning of what's to come, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.